ಹಲೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ after so many days I'm coming to the YouTube classes ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೇಗ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವನ I hope all are doing good. Okay, now today in the ISC we have not only the ISC, the state board, CBSE, the engineering and all. So there are, as we know, computer can understand only 0 and 1, right? So based on the 0 and 1, some in the computer hardware we have some Boolean laws are there, right? Boolean. Boolean means, as we know, it's in the form of either true or false, 0 or 1, right? Okay, now that type of Boolean laws we can discuss one by one. I hope this video is useful and video ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ you can like and share your feedback. Okay, now I'm going to share my screen. It's a long video. I hope it will take time. If you want to go fast, you can go to the fast screen, 1.25 or 1.75 or what is that, 1.50 speed. Okay, starting from the Boolean. So there will be a loss. If you go to the High Court or Supreme Court, there are some laws. If you go to the any what is that, any lab and all, there are some rules like that. The Boolean, for Boolean in the sense either true or false. True is nothing but one, and 10 is nothing but some what is that, mathematicians they invented the Boolean laws. First, I will go with properties of 0 and 1. As we know in the maths, what is the property of 0? What is the property of 0? Okay, I can tell in Kannada because this is my class. What is the property of 0? ನೀವು ಎನ್ನೇ ನಂಬರ್ನ 0 ಅಂತ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get the same number. But what is the property of 1? You can multiply any number with 1, you will get the same number. So 0 is the additional identity, whereas 1 is the multiplicative identity. So in the Boolean laws, okay, 0 is the additional and 1 is the multiplicative. And another one is, if you add anything with the 1, you will get a1. Example, first I will write properties of 1 and 0. What is the first heading is properties of, or else you can write down law of identity also. The last year also properties of 0 and 1, or else you can take law of identity. Different terms they will use in engineering and all. So now I can go to, I will take a as the input. A with 0, you will get a only. That is the first property of Boolean laws, and that is additional identity. A multiplied with 1, you will get a only. And I can extend, if you want to add any number with the 1, you will get a only. Not a, it is 1. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1 is also 1. And you will multiply any number with a 0, you will get 0. This 4 property you can write. Additional identity and multiplicative identity, and extend some properties. Get it? So these are the 4 laws. 4 properties comes under which one? Comes under properties of 0, 1 or law of identity. Speed breaker, and we go through the this one. Next I can go to the second one. I did one mistake here. I can take the bulletin point. This one I can take, then it will be good. This is a very interesting topic, Boolean laws, and it is a mixture of 0 and 1, or else 0 is nothing but false, 1 is nothing but true. In the logic gate and all, 0 is nothing but your logic gate is off, and 1 is nothing but your logic gate is on, right? Next I can go to the second law. I can go, they will call I don't know how to pronounce this one. Idempotent law. What idempotent law says, if I take a plus a plus a is a. Example, 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, 1. What idempotent law says, a plus a is a, and the second property is A into A is also A. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. By using the truth table also I can write. This one truth table is not required because these are all simple one. Next I can go to, why it is not going? Huh? Next I can go to complementary law. This is also very important. Very law. What complementary law and spelling change? Spelling I have done mistake. It is not showing spelling change only. Complementary. Men, men, complementary law. But complementary law says that a plus a dash, and this one I can take as a dash, is equal to 1. And I can take the second property, a into a dash leads to 0. So how it is? Example, you can take a is 0 input. Complement means it's the opposite. 0 complement is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. If the a is 1, in complement is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. And a into 0. If the one input is 1, complement is 0. Any number into 0 you'll get. Which law this is? Complementary law. Got it? Next I can go to the involution law. What involution law says? Involution law. What involution law says that double complement means I can take a complement and complement. You will get original number of a. If you take 0 complement is 1, 1 complement is 0. Every time complementary, you will get the original number only. Okay, that is the involution law. What is the other symbol we can use? This is the complement symbol, or else you get is a negation of a, double negation of a leads to, okay, I can write the bracket, then it will be good. You will get the original number. That is the involution law. And what are the different other laws are related to this one? Complementary we have done. These are all the one input only. We are dealing with, you see that all are one input only. Now we can enter into the next law is commutative. Now it is a commutative. It is based on the two input. What commutative law? Spelling is wrong. Commutative. What commutative law says? A plus B is equal to B plus C. 0 plus, for this one I can use the truth table. What type of girl you are? Okay, now I can read the one. How to use the table here? Insert. I can go directly here. 4 input, right? Three columns and 5 rows I will take. One is header. So the first input is A, and the second input is B, and the next input is A plus B, and I have to add another one, right? B plus A. Insert row to the right, and I can do it. Another one properties there. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು very easy topics, but you must know this ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Boolean laws ಆ ಥರ. I think it is understanding. A plus B equal to B plus A, and another one second property is A into B is equal to B into A. It is also easy. I can write B plus A. Next is A into B equal to B into A. Okay. So what are the input? As we know, what are the input in the if it's a two variable truth table? 0, 0. And this is the binary value of 0. Next binary value of 1 if it is the 2 digit, and binary value of 2, and binary value of 0, and next is 1 1 1 1. These are the four possibilities. Okay, a plus b. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. And 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1 is also 1. In the binary addition, in the decimal addition, 1 plus 1 is 2. Whereas in the binary, it is only 0 and 1, right? You know already. This is the heading. I can make it as bold. And b plus a. 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0. We'll get the same answer, right? Again, 0. It is 1, 1, and 1. Both are same. These two are same. I can make one coloring. Both are same. I can take coloring different color. Okay. Next. A into B. Multiplication. 0 into 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1. Both are 1 you'll get. And B into A also 0, 0, 0, and 1. Multiplication. Put A into B and put on a multiplication. These two I can make it as one color. Which color I can add? You cannot see, right? Make it as this one. Okay. This color also you can make it. Okay. This is the first property and this is the second property. ನಂಗೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ because this is for slow learners. Usually learners ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ you can do. This topic is for slow learners. I'm explaining. Suprith sir is for the slow learners. Okay, next law is the other commutative law is over. Next I go for distributive law. Distributive law. Distributive law. Correct. What distributive law? It is going to distribute the, you see the formula. A into B plus C is leads to A into B plus A into C. Okay, this is the first property. And what is the second property says same thing. A plus B into C. You see inside the bracket for the first property plus is there. Plus here it is A plus B. A plus B. How many variables is the input? There are 3 input in the distributive law. Into A plus C. What property here the outside it is a dot. A into B plus A into C. The second here the plus is there. A plus B into A. So this is second property. Understood? Okay, now you can write on what you can write. Right, you can write on the one truth table. Based on that, I can write what are the input here? A into B 1, A, B, C 3 columns. This is 4th column, 5th column, 6th column, I add 7th column. So there are, I can take 7 columns. I can take 7 number of columns. Okay, you can check. So there are 3 input A, B, and C. And what is the property says? First you have to do the left hand side equal to right hand side. B plus C, right? B plus C. That you have to multiply with. That column you have to multiply it with B plus C. This is the LHS, right? Okay, now we can go to right side. A into B plus A into C. I can write another one input, right? Insert row into the right. Again, you want to add this one. I can take x and y, means I can take x plus y. That is the right hand side. Okay, now I can make it this one as, okay, I can write 3, 4, 5. Totally 3 variable means 2 to the power of 8. Rows below, rows below, and rows below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So I can write this one as center ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, and the first heading I will take it as what I can take bold. So what are the input? 0, 0, 0, and the next input is 0, 0, 1, and the next input is center ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. 0, 0, 1. Next binary value of 2. 0, 1, 0. Next is 0, 1, 1 binary value of 3. That 3 digit, because this is a 3 variable. Next is binary value of 4 is 1. 0 tab. Next 1 tab 0 1. Next is 1 0 1. Next it is 1 1 0, and last one is 1 1 1. Binary value of 7. Start from 1, right? So now we can take these two columns, B plus C. These two columns you have to take. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. So this value, this column you have to multiply it with A. This one and this one. Okay. A into B plus C. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. In remaining, 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Right? Understood. Okay. This is going to finish to 7:30, another 10-20 minutes. I'm explaining deeply. This is going to study all engineering student, BCA, BSc, state board, CBSE, and all the computer application must know this one by Suprith. They'll remember my name. Okay, next A into B. 0 into 0, these two columns you have to multiply. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. And 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Next, you can take this column A into C. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. Next, 1 into 1, 1. And 1 into 0, 0. And 1 into 1 is 1. A and C. After that, you can add 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. And next 1 plus 1 is 1. And you see that this is the LHS. And this is the RHS. Both are same. So there is the first property of which one? Distributive law. And I make it as okay. I can make it. This one is the RHS. Second property also you can do it. That you have to do it. It's a very thing. Plus B agate. Second property says A plus ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ B into C ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ತರ A instead of A into B ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get the same answer. Second property you can do it. Okay. Next I go for associative law. Seventh type of law is associative law. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲಾ ನಾನು ಮರ್ತೆ, ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಲಾ. ಅದು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಲಾ is also very important law. ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಲಾ ಐತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ರಿಡೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ. Okay. Seventh one is associative. Okay. Associative law. Associative means what associative law says? A plus the bracket is A plus B. So A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. See the bracket. A first you have to do B plus C, I have to add with here in the second term in the right side, it's A plus B plus. Understood? It's a very easy line, the word. And this is A into B, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C, A into B into C. Okay, I can take this, copy this table because there are 3 input. After that I can change the name of the table. So what are this? A plus B plus C. Here I can write A plus B plus C, right, in the left side, and in the right side it is A plus B, and after this column is not required. Directly that value you can add with the C, right? This column I can delete the entire column. This value you have to add with C. So what is this one? A plus B and plus C, right? This value you can delete it, and this value you can delete it. Now you see the difference how the associative law works. So B plus C, this value is also you have to add, right? B plus C. Copy. You see the change, how it will work. So B plus C, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0, and 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. Third column B plus C, third column, third column. Next to this value, this column add with A. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, and 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. See? Next, in this side A plus B, first you have to do these two columns. After that you can add 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1. Next, this value add with C, 0 plus 0, 0. In all other condition, you will get 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1, and 1, and 1. You see, LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the associative law. Second property, you can do it your own. Okay. This is so distributive law and associative law based on the 3 input, commutative law based on the 2 input. Now I can go to the other one is absorption law. So I forgot actually as to the main one you have to do it. What absorption law? It is going to absorb the value. It is also one of the good law in the Boolean laws. It is very useful while you are evaluating the Boolean expression using the Boolean laws. It is going to simplify the values. They have done some absorption. Okay. What absorption law says? It's a very important topic. A plus, okay, A plus A into the bracket you can take. A into B leads to, if the first two terms are this one and this one, you will get the same value. A only. So how it is? Okay, you can prove that by using the truth table. A into A plus B leads to A. Sir, how it is A plus A into B leads to A? We are finding Oh, right. Okay, now I can copy one truth table for the two variable. I can take this one, copy the table, and I can write one table here. You see that? So what is this? You want A into B here, and that value you have to add with these two columns. I can delete the columns. What is this one? A plus 2, A plus A into B. Careful ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay. You see the difference. A into B, this one, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. And that one you have to add with A. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. And 1 plus 1, 1. So you see A plus A, B, you will get 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. It will look like A, 0, 0, 1, 1. So absorption law, it is going to absorb the first term A and A are same means it is going to absorb. The same thing, you can do the second property also. But second property says A plus B and it is A into A plus B. Right? I hope it is used understanding. Okay, based on that, I'm writing. I don't want to delete. Okay. A plus B, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. Okay, now this column you have to multiply it with A. 0 into 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. You got the same answer again, A. So that is the absorption law. Boolean expression, you can directly write A. If it is, sir, instead of A, he has given x plus xy, x plus x into y, x. Sir, if he has given A dash into A dash plus A dash into y, A dash. Our term bandra, you can directly simplify. So Boolean laws is over, associative law, distributive law, we have remaining one more important law. What is that law? Ninth one is De Morgan's law. It is very, very important. De Morgan's law. How I can forget De Morgan's law? De Morgan's law. Oh, what De Morgan's law says? It's a very important topic. A plus B, and use the capital letter. A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Means you see A become A complement and plus become I did one wrong here. It is not a plus, it's a dot. Plus become dot and B become B complement. The same thing, if it is A into B whole dash, it leads to A dash plus B dash. You see the difference? In the first, it leads to plus become dot, here dot become plus. So how we can achieve this thing? You can use the another one truth table. By use the truth table, you can achieve everything and you prove that LHS is equal to RHS. It's a very important law, Boolean law. But A plus B, after that, A plus B whole dash, A plus B whole dash, and next I can write A dash and B dash. Insert, right, columns to the right, and another one columns to the right, and that you have to multiply. Insert columns to the right. Okay, A plus B whole dash I can take this one is A dash, and next one is B dash, and next one is A dash into B dash, A dash into B dash. Okay, I can delete all these things, values. Okay, now A plus B. First you have to do, sir, A dash plus, no, first you have to do A plus B. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, and 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. So A plus B whole complement. Value ಬಂದಿರೋದೇ complement ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 0 become 1, 1 become 0, 1 become 0, 1 become 0. This is the LHS. Now we can go to the right side. Right side means RHS. So A dash, what is the meaning of A dash? Wherever the 0, complement dash, 0 become 1. 1 1 0 0. In the A it is 0 0 0 0 1 1. Here it is 1 1 0 0. So complement. And B complement 0 1 0 1. So this one become 1 1 1 0. Complement. As we know that not gate, right? Okay. Now that value you have to multiply. 1 into 1 1. 1 into 0 0. 0 into 1 0. And 0 into 1 0. You got use here? The wrong color you can add. You see the this one left side, and you see the right side. You got the same table. Sorry, not you got the LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, second law also you can apply the same formula. I can copy and paste. You will do that. A into B ಮಾಡಿ all complement ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next A complement plus B complement you will get it. Okay, I can write that one also because De Morgan's law is very very important while you are simplifying. What second law says? A into B is A into B dash and A dash into B dash. It is correct. It is A dash plus B dash. Right? This value I can remove except the input. A into B 0 into 0 0 0 into 0 1 into 0 1 into 0 1 1 into 1 is 1 and the complement whole complement 1 1 1 and 0 1 complement is 0. Next is A dash. A dash is double 1 and double 0. Oh, it is same thing like in the last one. And B dash is also same 1 0 1 0 1 0. That you have to add 1 plus 1 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 0 plus 1 1 0 plus 0 is 0. You got the same answer, right? So these are all the how many types of law we have discussed? 9 types of laws, starting from properties of 0 and 1, multiplicative identity, and what is that? Multiplicative identity, additional identity, and if you are add any number with 1, you'll get 1. Any number with multiply with any number with 0, you'll get 0. And idempotent class is A plus A is 1 A and A into A is A. Complementary law A plus A dash and A into A dash. A plus A dash leads to 1, 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0. And A into 0, 0 into 1 or 1 into 0 is 0. And involution double negation will get the original number. And commutative A plus B is equal to B plus A and B plus A into B is equal to B into A. And distributive A into B plus A into C. A plus B into A into A plus C. And associative law A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. And the absorption law, it's going to observe if both the terms are it is same means it's going to observe. And last one is De Morgan's law. A plus B O dash leads to A dash into B dash, or A into B O dash leads to A dash plus B dash. So these are all the 9 types of laws. I think it will be very useful for your exams. If it is useful, please like the video and share the video and share your feedback. Thank you. Have a good day.